Alright, we're going to try higher magnification here using the 25 times objective. So with the camera it's over 250 magnification. They move around so fast it's really hard to keep them in focus or track them, but this video is long enough to where I got some good shots. So I hope you enjoy, and please subscribe to my channel. And I hope to have more content as I get time here, and I'm still learning all the equipment. So plan on posting more and more. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.